There is not a single color in nature that the tiny hippolyte prawn cannot copy exactly. From bright green to purple, yellow to red or brown, it can transform itself, chameleon-like, into any hue. Its technicolor versatility does not stop there. The hippolyte can handle patterns and textures, too. This crustacean, commonly found in tide pools, can mimic the exact shade of green of a dead leaf floating in the water and the leaf's vein structure and grain. Predators can stare at the hippolyte and never see it. At night it turns a transparent midnight blue, melting into the blackness.